YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. Today we're going to announce the winners of the sneaker care kits from Crep Philippines, and we will be also announcing our newest giveaways. We're giving away a new sneaker as well as a sneaker bag. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so, because if you haven't guessed it yet, we do giveaways almost on a regular basis. I think we've been doing giveaways weekly now. And we'll keep on doing so. So all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, follow me on IG. Go, go, go! First, I just want to say thank you first to Crep Philippines. They sponsored this giveaway. They are giving away 10 sneaker care kits composed of the Crep spray as well as the Crep pills. Now, they even sent me this really cool influencer box. So I guess I'm an influencer now, which has a built-in TV, which is so cool. I mean, I featured this already in a previous vlog, but I just have to show it again because it just looks so kick-ass. So again, thank you so much, Crep Philippines, for the love. Thank you for sending all of these things for our viewers. So let's get to it. First, thank you guys, because I checked the phone and we got over 800 entries. 800 people actually posted photos of their shoes to join this competition, to join this contest. So anyway, without further ado, I'll announce the 10 winners. So what will happen is Crep Philippines will be the ones who will send your prizes over. So just wait for them to contact you or wait for them to send your packages over. So let's get to the winners. First up, we have Bastille. This is the photo that he has. So he's flexing white Levi's 4. Yes, I'm not sure if it's a Rastaclat bracelet, but it's a really sick looking bracelet, and he's also able to show off that cool tattoo that he has along his arm. So the fit of his overall look, man, is really good, and the vibe is probably killer as well. So again, congratulations, Bastille, now winner number 1. The second picture is one of my favorites. This is from Jasper Luwalhati. And it just shows an Air Max 97 with the flash hitting it, so it shows the reflective material of the sneaker. Looks really sick. Congratulations, Jasper. You're the second winner. Watch out for the package from Crep. Next, we have a group photo of sorts. This is from Chester MDIX, Ninong Chester, by ex Baby Rita, ex KOTD equals Hella Fire. So there you have it. I guess it's another, it's another Air Max 97 with, I guess, his inaanak wearing, I can't see what the inaanak is wearing. A New Balance 574 infant. Congratulations, Chester, for being the third winner. Next, we have Liv Victor wearing the Pharrell Solar Pack with the Motherland. He actually took this in Hong Kong while on top of, I don't know where. But the picture looks really nice. There's even some sort of like rainbow effect going on. So again, that is the Solar Pack of Pharrell Williams. If you guys haven't read my review yet, I'll put the link down below. Next up, we have one of my favorite beaten up Reebok photos of the contest. This is from Corvirai, featuring his, I think this is like the Reebok Workout Plus. So it's just a really badly battered Reebok Workout Plus. I reached out to him and asked him if it is shot. He said that he took this in front of his yard, and man, your shoes really need Crep Protect. So you really do need the product more than anybody else. So we are sending it to you. Congratulations for being one of the winners. Next up, we have another one of my favorite shots. This is I think a Nike Air Force mid or high. Well, it looks like a mid. This is from Dirt Snaps, which was taken actually in Monrovia, Liberia. So it looks really cool. I mean, that shot is just beautiful. The composition is amazing. I would have preferred if they did another shot of showing his entire body, but overall, this looks like a really kick-ass photo. So congratulations, Dirt Snaps. You won the Crep Protect contest. Next up, we have somebody with Van sneakers, and this one is one of the best composed photos of the set. It's coming from X Perez. It just says off the wall. He's showing off his Van sneakers in a very, I mean, wow, look at that composition. That is sick. That is really good photography and composition. Man, you are talented. So congratulations. This is super well deserved. X Perez. Next up, we have somebody with a black and white thing going on. So the fit is also very straightforward. The shirt, I love the shirt. It says Netflix and chill, jeans, and I think it's a nice Nike SB. I can't see from this angle, but it looks really cool. Congratulations, Gabriel Batukal, for your photo. You won. You are part of the winner list as well. And you have to tell me where you got the shirt. The shirt looks really cool. I want one. Next up is one of the photos that really made me laugh out loud. This is from Aaron Ferraris. Him doing chores with his Air Max 270 Dusty Cactus. What? Man, you're doing chores with just a kick-ass sneaker. But yeah, it's really cool, really straightforward, really simple. I love how he just put everything together. Congratulations, man. You also won the raffle. And lastly, this is our 10th winner. Congratulations to CL212 with this Empower, Inspire, Pharrell Solar Pack sneakers, NMD. So there you have it. He's showing his full fit, the all black look with the black cap, with that sneakers popping. Man, really good fit, man. So yeah, congratulations, you won. You are the 10th winner of our Crep Protect giveaway. So again, guys, thank you very much to Crep Protect Philippines for sponsoring this giveaway. Thank you very much to all the 800 entries that came. I'm thinking of doing one more raffle to everybody who joined, so watch out for that one in the coming days ahead. Now, before we get to the announcement of the next giveaway, let's just do some quick mail time. I got the package from Shoephoric Philippines. So they sent over this really cool shirt. It's in color blue. It says Shoephoric 63rd Street Y7 ASD. I have no idea what it means yet. I'll have to research and figure it out. They also sent a card as an esteemed VIP for ASD on 63rd Street. You get free exclusive tickets for you and your guests. Thank you, Shoephoric. They also sent, what else is here? They sent a bunch of stickers. So this is the Shoephoric sticker pack, as well as a guide to install an app. Ticket Boss. So yeah, they have an event actually in October 20 something. So this is part of their invitation. So thank you, Shoephoric, for the merch. I really appreciate it. Yeah, but wait, there's more. Oh, guys are sending me stuff. That's awesome. This is a bag from Intuitive. I think Intuitive, they do sneaker bags. This is a smaller bag compared to the Katha sneaker duffel, so it's also a local brand. So let's support local, guys. They're very cool. So if you're looking for a bigger bag, you can go with Katha. If you're looking for a smaller bag that you can take, easier, then you can go with this one. So I'll put the link down below to their IG account. I like the build, very sturdy. Oh, they even sent us. They sent us stickers. Stickers are like the new cool thing now. So Intuition, there you go. So they have like a. Ooh, that's cool. This is the one of my favorite. This is a really nice sticker. I'll probably put this on my laptop. So again, thank you very much to the awesome folks from Intuition for sending this over. If you guys want a giveaway of an Intuition bag, how about letting me know down in the comments below? Okay, so let's announce the next giveaway. For this week, we're giving away 2 items. So what will happen is, since we've passed 50,000 subscribers, we're giving away a series of giveaways almost every week. So last week was the Crep Protect sneaker care kit. This week, it's 2 items. 1 sneaker as well as 1 kick-ass bag. The bag will be won through Instagram, while the sneaker will be won through our usual way of just commenting in this post, and you get the chance to win. So let's get to it. First, we're giving away a never before used, so it's not yet used. It's a Kobe AD NX3 360. So this is the box. As you guys can see there, it says Kobe, and this is actually the Lakers colorway. I don't know if you guys seen it. Ooh, I mean, it looks really cool. That yellow, that purple, those red streaks at the back. This is a really cool basketball sneaker from Kobe. It's in size 12 though, so if you guys are in size 12, you can just take it and give it to a friend, or take it and then just sell it, because the resale value is still pretty good. So again, this is the Kobe AD NXT 360. I will be raffling this away. How to join? Very simple. Leave a comment down below of your favorite moment of Kobe Bryant from his career. Just leave it down below, and yeah, I'll pick a winner at the end of the week, Sunday. So again, take note, if you don't put a memory of Kobe Bryant and you get picked, you don't win. So you have to leave a comment of your favorite moment of Kobe Bryant to be able to win this raffle. Leave the comments down below. I will draw the winner. What day is it today? Tuesday. I'll draw the winner next Tuesday for this pair of sneakers. And can I just say again, begging on Instagram will not help your case. Anybody and everybody who begs on Instagram to win, I just block. So it's insta-block. So don't even try to just beg for the prize. I mean, come on guys, it's random. So just leave a comment down below and leave it at that. There's no need to just bug me again and again and again on IG. Triggered. Next up, we're giving away, a Katha sneaker duffel in this color. This is the bamboo green color. So it says there, Katha. It's in color green. It looks cool. It can fit up to 4 sneakers and it can also double as an overnight bag. This is one of the best sneaker bags, bigger sneaker bags that you guys can get in the market today. I'll put a link down below to their IG just in case you are interested in already buying. So how to join? Very simple. Go to IG, post a photo, take a photo of your 4 favorite sneakers that you'd want to put in your Katha bag. And yeah, just tag me, tag Katha Bags. I'll put the link down below to their IG account and use the hashtag KathaXCO. Katha, that's KATHAXCO. So post the photo of those 4 sneakers that you want to put in the bag, XCO, and you get the chance to win a brand new Katha bag. I will also be drawing the winner next Tuesday. So that's, 1 week from now. Now, to make things a little bit spicier so that there's more than just one winner, I'll be throwing in another Katha bag. So that one is actually sponsored by Katha. So thank you, Katha Philippines, for being so gracious in sponsoring that part of the giveaway. Just to make things easier. So one winner I'll draw from the photos that I saw, the best photo, or at least the photo that I like the most. The second winner is another Katha bag that I will buy using my own money, and we will just randomly raffle it away to everybody who joined so that there's more chances for all of you guys to win. So again, we have 3 giveaways. We're giving away the Kobe Bryant AD NXT 360 sneakers. This is the one in yellow, the Lakers color. We're giving away 2 Katha bags. One in bamboo green and one in black. The black will be raffled away randomly. The green will be given to the picture that I like the most. So we have 2 more weeks of giveaways. I'm thinking of giving away Jordans next week. So let me know what you guys think, if that's something that you feel interesting. And after the Jordans, the week after that, we're going to do the giveaway for the 10,000 peso outlet shopping trip with 1 lucky winner with me. So I'll probably do it in Riverbanks because that's where all the that's where all the outlets are that's closest to me. So again, guys, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you follow me on IG. Make sure that you stick to this squad because we are giving as much as we can away to you. Apart from the info and the vlogs, there's a lot of stuff to be shared. So that's it for now. I hope you're all having a great week. Peace, 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 peace. God bless. Woo!